Illinois became the first state in the country to have a law that bans book bans. It took effect to start the new year. The law prohibits banning books from libraries and is drawing praise from librarians. Zach Stidham has the top story at 4.
To start 2024, Illinois put 320 new laws and bans in place. One of these was the book ban prohibition. This means that libraries that indiscriminately ban books will not be eligible for state funds. Allison Thompson is the library director at the Marshall Public Library, and she discusses one of the key principles this ban adopted.
One of the things that they required is the adoption of the American Library Association Freedom to Read policy, and we have actually had that policy adopted for over 20 years. So we believe in the freedom of reading.
This ban came into effect after the American Library Association reported that attempts to censor books reached an all-time high in 2022. Officials said that they are aware that information is more readily available now than it has ever been. They said that they want to promote parents and guardians to take precautions before putting their kids in situations where they could see something they would not want to approve of. Kaylee Boylan is the director of the Paris Carnegie Public Library, and she says despite that, it is hard to compare the power of reading.
They've had trouble relating to people in face-to-face encounters, but they've found reading to be a great way to feel connected to other people. And that's really a big part of reading, is connecting to others.
Officials said no matter how the landscape of libraries change, the freedom to read should never be taken for granted.
We believe that the freedom to read is probably one of Americans' greatest freedoms.
Zach Stidham reporting.